Hey everyone. Now I saw a video online of some clown doing salmon in a sandwich press. Fucking done this in a him. This is how you do it, right? Right, you still use your baking paper. Put it on a tray. Put your salmon on. And that goes in the oven. Right, and use one of these little ovens. Just chuck it in there. Set the thing up on 200. 23 minutes, fucking go. The reason I didn't use an oven before is because I didn't have that small oven, I only had the big one, and I've never actually used that because it would be a bit inefficient to bother heating that up for a little piece of salmon, but the little one's good. So you may remember I've had the flashing clock on the oven, which has been quite annoying, so I've now turned it off at the circuit breaker because I still don't know how to set it. I can't find the manual for that thing, and I haven't really invested that much time in trying to figure it out, so I just turned it off. But this will cook it well. Okay, that's nearly ready. To go with it, I'm going to have a bit of avocado and cottage cheese. Oh, look at that. Cottage cheese, give it a stir. You know, those oils happening. Okay, so a big old scoop of that. That'll do. I did a video where I took all the beepers out of various appliances in the house, but this is one that I left in there. As annoying as it is, I like to know when the food's ready. Grab the salmon out. Okay, just grab that, throw it on the plate. That's it. Alright, there it is, salmon, avocado and cottage cheese. Now that's all very high in fat, of course, but it's good fat. If you're in ketosis, then that's what you want. And if you don't know what ketosis is, look it up. It's good for keeping the weight off. And it tastes good too. So until next time, take it easy.